determining the cost of a kitchen remodel, there's going to be a lot to consider. This can look really different depending on what you're looking to achieve out of your kitchen remodel, whether that is a kitchen refresh, which usually looks like more of maybe keeping existing cabinets, but maybe you're painting those and replacing hardware, getting a fresh backsplash, new countertops, but keeping the islands, and maybe you don't need new appliances, or you're keeping all your hardwoods and stuff. So there are refreshes that, when it comes to creating that scope of work, it looks so different for everyone, but we take a lot of time on the front end to ensure we have a good understanding of the goal out of your kitchen remodel, and then start working to get a very clear scope of work in place. And then if you're going for a full gut kind of kitchen remodel, you're getting all new cabinets, and maybe reconfiguring your kitchen and getting hardwood, new hardwood floors done, and all the details that go into the space, appliances, the backsplash and handles, hardware, everything kind of involved, then that price is going to look obviously quite a bit different too. So with us, when it comes to any kind of remodel, we're very intentional to ensure you are having a really clear scope of work and putting in that time that is needed. So we don't just come up with like a quick estimate and get that back to our client and fingers crossed it kind of works. That does not work out so well, because there could be some really upset clients with drastic price increases, and that's just not how we like to approach things. So we put in a really good amount of time by coming out there first to your home. A designer and Anthony, they're going to scan your space with technology to get really accurate measurements, and then talk through, of course, what it is you're looking to achieve, what those ideas maybe look like that you have. Are those, realistic things, what that could ballpark kind of average look like, and then give you our expertise as well. Bringing all that kind of together, and getting a lot of information from that first consult. Then we move into a product portfolio and detailed estimate. With a product portfolio and a detailed estimate, this is going to allow us to connect with our clients on the very front end more, to ensure we're in the right direction. It's not going to be your final selections by any means, but it is a product portfolio to allow us to spec product, realistic product for what you're looking to achieve, and then that way we're putting all of this together with some renderings as well to start giving you a really good visual and what the cost of those items are going to look like, with of course the detailed estimate of the labor that goes into everything too. At the end of the day, it's about getting a really clear scope of work that the client understands, they're excited about, and there is a collaborative effort just as far as making sure we're kind of going in that right direction. And then once we have that put together, our clients come back to our showroom here. We get to talk through that in a way to make sure they have a really good understanding. They can ask those questions right on the spot too, and we can make changes as needed. Once that's all good to go, our clients then will move forward with us, and that amount we charge actually is credited towards their project. From there, you do a contract signing, and then we'll get your true design appointments scheduled out, which is nice. You guys get to come straight to the showroom here for our design selections. We have all sorts of great product here, and our screens to bring up renderings, to truly bring everything together. So when it comes to creating that kind of perfect kitchen for our clients, it's all about what that client wants, and we're able to help bring that to life. It's all about the functionality, what means the most to you, and we are here to help bring that all together in a really seamless way with all of our great process and team here, to ensure we can create that kitchen of your dreams.